Bees by Christopher and Samuel.
We had two questions. Our first question was what native bees live around Weaver Lake Elementary? Our second question was why are bees so important? Importance of bees. All bees are important for pollinating because the stuff they pollinate makes up 1/3 of our food. They also make honey, which can be used in many different ways. They help grow trees, which clean the air and are used in many different ways.
Mother pollinators are butterflies, ladybugs, hummingbirds, wasps, sunbirds, bats, and fireflies.
Bee field trip. We had 4 main items on our bee field trip. First, we had the introduction. It was called Is It a Bee? After that, we went on a hike through the woods. We looked at all the different pollinators. After that, we went out to a hive, shown on the top photo, called a pollination simulation. After that, we had a closing and left.
Native bees. One type of native bee is the bumblebee. They are important because they pollinate lots of flowers and crops. They have been around for 50 million years, known to man.
Our investigation. Very first, Miss Jetton gave us a container and taught us how to catch bees. After that, we found a bee in the nature center. Next, we trapped the bee very carefully. After that, Miss Jetton froze it to kill it. And then we observed it and pinned it and sketched it. Last, we identified what type it is using the dichotomous key. It was the honey bee.
Threats to pollinators. Monoculture is when farmers only plant one type of crop in an area. It causes things like colony collapse disorder. It's also known as a food desert for bees and other pollinators. It is a big threat to bees and other pollinators.
Pesticides are used for killing pests. One type of pesticide is called neonicotinoid. It is a big threat. It makes bees dizzy and they cannot find their way back. This is a big problem. Here's some things you can do to help bees. If you're really into it, you can get together with a lot of people and ask for a company space to plant a big garden. If you're not that big, you can build a bee house out of straws or small pieces of wood. Otherwise, you can just plant flowers without pesticides to make a small bee garden. Created by Christopher and Sam. So thanks to Mr. Ditman, Miss Jetton, and Mr. Schumacher. Thanks for watching.